About to be oil change time. Yeah. Gotta do it in the back today, cause um everybody seemed to stay in today. So in the backyard. Gonna go ahead and do it before, I get yelled at for having my car back here. Yo, BSC, I want you to listen to this. When I reverse. Okay, shut up, car. That popping noise. Oh, that just hit my damn car. Yep, just time for that oil change now. I had to come somewhere where I'm not really, too comfortable with being back here, but couldn't really do it out on the front. So let me go ahead and get this done with and get up out this yard before it be a problem. This ain't my yard. This their yard. Before it be a problem. Yeah, just time for my oil change now. Oh, still ain't loose. Well, loose enough I can just do it by hand. Alright, that should be loose enough to do it by hand. Hit it right on the head too. On the bucket. Yep. You don't want to know the crazy part? I change my oil once a month because I run the miles up, right? And every month I have to use my channel locks to get the oil filter off when I, lube up the new filter. Like I lubed this filter up last month when I changed it, right? I lubed it up, and every month I change my oil. I have to take my channel locks and work it loose. Yep, the gasket came off, so it's not double gasket. Oh shit, my boy calling. Yeah, so now I'm done with the oil change. You finished up my oil change. It was peaceful till your ass came back here. Take my vice grips because I need to get some more hood shocks. Fresh oil change done. Yeah. I'll do a nice pull in it later with the fresh oil. I'm just finna go park right now and find something to eat.